What about our current student who actually currently studying here at the BBTech program? So here with us today, we have Miss Shinker Yi, Miss Shruti Purohit, and Miss Akanchaya Kanal. And they are our current students. So, Swadika, hello.
สวัสดีค่ะ
Hi. So, could you please introduce yourself again and tell us where you're from?
Yeah, thank you for the information. And hello, everyone. And my name is Qingke, and I am from China, and we're from BBTech program.
Wonderful.
Hi everyone, my name is Shruti Purohit and I'm from India.
Hey, my name is Akanja Kanal and I'm from Nepal.
Right, wonderful. So now, please tell us, how do you know about this program at Chulalongkorn?
For me, I just went through the website of our university and saw the information of the international programs of the university.
Regarding my situation, I found out about the program at a college seminar that I attended.
I see.
For me, Chulalongkorn alumni actually told me about the program and then she directed me towards the website.
Oh wow, this is wonderful. So three of you, getting to know this BBTech from three different sources. One's from the website. Of course, everyone can check out the website and learn more about this. Number two, there's some kind of like information sessions here at her place at your maybe school. And last one is through the alumni. And this is the best way, this is like a word of mouth. BBTech is one of the best program here, so everyone talk about it, and that's why we all have you all here. So Mao, the next question is, why are you interested in joining the BBT Tech program?
For me, biotechnology is like using the information related to biology and chemistry to develop and create new things that may benefit your daily life. So I feel like this kind of innovation is quite interesting.
Great.
And for me, I was always interested in data science and computer science, but when I found out that there's a integration between biology and computer science, I thought this is a good path for me.
Oh wow, great.
Biotechnology is really formed with a lot of courses in mind, especially this program. So you can go to any career options that you prefer, ranging from pharmaceutical sciences all towards computational sciences.
Yes, that's right. As we all mentioned that biotechnology, this is like an engine of the innovation. So in every innovations behind the scene, this is all about biotechnologies, and that's why you're here, because each of you have each own interest in. So now my next question is, what do you expect from the BBTech program, please?
Just like what Dr. Dong has just mentioned, we have several concentrated areas. And for me, I concentrated in food biotech. So personally, I am expecting to gain the knowledge related to food production and also the international laws and regulations related to food industry, such as food safety.
I would like to add to that, our program is very varied and it can usually help us to go in any career path that you want to. My focus is bioinformatics. That's why I think it would help me to learn more about genetics and data science.
My focus is actually on microbial sciences, and so the program, you should actually expect going to microbial industry visits, working in a laboratory with your friends and your professors, and just a lot of cool opinions and different views on science.
Wow, fascinating. So, my next question is that each year, a lot of international students or even Thai students really interested in this BBTech program. And one criteria that they need to meet is to pass the interview process. So, would you be so kind to give our future students and talk about the tips and tricks about the interview? How do we prepare for that?
My only advice is just be confident about yourself and show your passion and attitude toward the biotechnology would be fine.
Also preparing for questions in advance, like looking up potential questions regarding interviews. They have usual like setups, so that would help you build confidence regarding how you can answer the questions.
I'd like to add to Shruti's point, being that if you look up questions and then ask your relatives or your friends to do like a mock interview, you'll really gain a boost of confidence during the real thing.
All right, I totally agree with you. You know, like the mock interview practice makes perfect. So that would just kind of ease out your anxiety and your nervousness, and then just being confident and show really who you are, so that the faculty can see you truly are and what is your passion, so they can accept you there. That's such a great tip. So now my question to Shruti. So are you the third year student? Is that correct?
Yes.
Wonderful. Now, for the last 2 years during the pandemic and the COVID situations, you've been studying and learning this program online. But now, this is your third year, and now you're back here on site. How do you feel about this?
I actually feel really good about being on site.
I
It's
bet.
really glad coming back to campus. And I think it's much more beneficial because coming back to campus allows us to have more genuine interactions with our classmates. I get to know them more better. And regarding the studying situation, I think asking questions to the professors on site is much more good because they explain it face to face.
Yes, yes. And I'm totally agree with you. You know, even though during the COVID-19, the professor and the faculties are available for you, but when you have the face-to-face interactions with the faculty, it's just, you know, different, and you get to show, to see how they care about you and walk you through this BBTech journey. So now, next, Kershi, I have a question for you. What is your impressions of the BBTech program as far as the facility and resources?
For me, labs are quite important for biotechnology. So the laboratories of our programs is quite advanced and fully equipped. And I think we could see the picture of the labs on the program website as well. And also we have field trips so that we could visit some top companies in the industry, and which is a good, quite a good chance to apply your knowledge into practice.
Okay, very good. And as I say, once you're back on site, you know, you can enjoy using this facility that is available for you and the resources that are actually ready for you to come and actually explore and use it. Very good. So now, Anantha, so would you like to tell us about the students who are interested in this BB Tech program, please?
Well, if you are interested in the program, reflecting on your talents and motivations and what you're good at and how that is compatible and aligned with the program to see if you're a match, and then see if the program benefits you. Most importantly, you should also give back to the program and see how you can do it.
I love that question. I loved your answer. You know, as far as you prepare something to show who you really are, but at the same time, try to show that what can you give back to the society, to the world, to make this world different. I love this answer. So now, if a lot of us are waiting for, you know, applying into this program, do you have any tips and tricks, and how will you prepare to enter into this program? May I please ask all of you, please?
For me, I searched for the information online in advance so that I could have a general idea of biotechnology and also its areas. And except that, what I have prepared are curiosity, confidence, and enthusiasms.
Wow, that's good. Curiosity, confidence, and enthusiasm. Okay, very good. That's all. Shinker. Next, please.
Regarding my situation, I actually just contacted a few of my friends who are also in the biotech industry, and they let me know more about the biotech industry. And also, when you prepare for the interview, you can always be confident and, you know, speak up for what you believe in. And I think that will help you prepare to enter the program successfully.
Great. All right. And then, well, this is not my last question, but I just want to ask, you know, your personal opinion. what do you like the most when you come back here on site and study here at BBTech? So anyone could answer this question, or all of you, please share your opinion.
I am quite enjoying to like interact with my classmates and professors because if we study online, we cannot like meet in person, so it's quite hard to like communicate.
Right.
Yeah.
Yes.
I think group activities help building up our confidence around our friends, and it's like, as Shinka said, it's quite better compared to the online program.
Wonderful.
Making friends is probably the most important thing, and so you should really be open-minded and be open to new experiences and opinions, and also the professors help you a lot along the way.
Right, right. Okay, well, my last question is, do you have anything to talk or to tell our prospect students, please?
My only advice is don't be afraid to express yourself in our programs. Just communicate with your classmates and professors, then you will find a new world.
I think the only thing I would say is that you should just work hard for what you want to do in this career, and also just keep it easy and go with the flow.
Great.
Well, I feel like the only advice you can give is really taking every step, like taking one step at a time, especially if you're an international student. Adjusting to a new environment can be very difficult at first. So the world is your oyster, and you have all the time in the world to learn.
Wow, what a nice ending. Very good, very good. So now I do have one question. And if you would like to invite your friends from all over the world, right? Either from China, from India, or from Nepal, please, invite them to come and join our BBTech, please.
Hey guys, I hope you guys join us soon next semester or next year.
Yeah, I hope to meet you guys next year.
Very
Yes.
good.
It's going to be a good, fun time if you do join us.
Very nice. Well, thank you very much. And that's all we have time for BBTech. So I'd like to thank you, Shinkeryi, Shruti Purohit, and Akantaya Nakal, as long as Assistant Professor Dr. Kanok Wan, who's coming in here live on this studio and talk about BBTech. So thank you very much. ขอบคุณครับ
ขอบคุณครับ Bye.
Bye bye.